What's going on, righteous shooters? We're back at it with another video, and I got something special for you guys. Something insane. I literally had to sell my spleen for this, what I'm about to show you guys, but I did it, I got it, and let's get on with the review. Boom. I did it. The Staccato in Massachusetts. Your boy has bought a Staccato, and it's the Staccato C2. So we're gonna do an unboxing, a review of it, and show you everything you get in the box and go from there. All right, guys, so let's do it. So right off the rip, comes in this soft shell bag, which is actually pretty freaking nice if you ask me. I think Staccato did a great job with these bags. Super good. Usually the gun boxes are the gun cases that I usually get with my firearms. They're always breaking real quick, but I don't think I'm gonna have an issue with this bag. Looks well made, feels really good, feels really tough. As you can see, Staccato 2011 with a nice little Velcro Staccato patch, right? We have tag that says Staccato C2. Boom. Here's the back of it. There we go. All right. So let's see what's first in here. We're gonna open up this, the first zipper right here. So let's see what we got. We got all our tools and manuals, right? Our tools, our manuals, comes with a nice little gun lock that we can put in our gun or on a safe, whatever that may be. Oh, that's pretty cool. We got a nice little Staccato sticker. That's gonna go with my sticker collection. Youth Handgun Safety Act. Right, just some stuff about safely storing a firearm and things of that nature. I should know all that information, right? Being a firearm instructor. Staccato owner manual, safety, just everything about it. We'll set that to the side, right? Gun lock. We have to replace your optics, fiber optics, right? For your Dawson sights, Dawson Provision. All right, new Dawson Universal Optic Plate. Just telling you about that. Read before you shoot, which is kind of cool. The 2011 is a match fit gun. To ensure proper function, please keep the handgun well lubricated. We have provided a quick reference guide below. Awesome. I'm actually going to keep this. This is freaking, I mean, I'm going to keep all of it, but I'm definitely going to refer back to this. This is all the parts that they say to lube up. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it shows you, right? You got your barrel. You got the barrel hood, the left and right rail, and the disconnector. So definitely gonna need that. Good guide. What else we got? Okay, just a little postcard. Warrior's heart. That's awesome, actually. Wow. This is a hotline for substance abuse for people who might need that, right? And then we have some tools, right? We have Allen wrenches, and then another wrench, nylon tip wrench, and that's just to adjust windage and rear sight. That's pretty cool. So that's everything that came, I believe, in the front pocket. Right, let's see. Wow. So they tested the firearm before they, you know, sold it to us, or before they sent it to the dealership, and that's them getting a bullseye with it. Right, you got 3 shots, one nice freaking grouping. So shout out to JB, because you got a nice shot. Right, so he shows you that, and then more Allen keys. Right, and yes, got some stickers from the gun shop that I bought it at. I thought they were pretty cool, right? Got the Celtics guy with a rifle. And then that's the Celtics shop. FUD Free Firearms. They got their little Zinni stickers. Little Zinnachinis. So that's everything that came in the front pocket. Now we're going to go and move on to the main pocket, right? Da-da! We need some light and music coming from here. Let's do it this way. Da-da! One more time. Key music. Right, so you open it up and you have pretty much this backing, which has slots for magazines, which is pretty cool, right? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slots for 5 different magazines. So this is a great bag to take you to the range if that's the only gun you're gonna bring, right? And you don't need to fit any other gun in there. I mean, you could probably fit multiple guns. And here we have the actual Staccato, right? Yeah, we don't need that. I think this is so nice, this bag. It's crazy. I'm gonna stand up, but I want you guys to see. Comes with a nice little, little gun holder, or, you know, Velcro strips, so it can hold your firearm in place. All right, now let's get to the actual Staccato. Here she is. Boom. Right, came with 2 magazines. They had to be, these were, I believe, 16 magazines, 16 rounds, but they had to pin them for me because, unfortunately, I live in such a shitty state, Massachusetts. We're only allowed 10 rounds, right? But this is it, guys. We're gonna make sure this thing's clear. So you can see, clear. There's nothing in it. I've never put any bullets in it, and I wouldn't expect them to send it to me. But wow, guys, off the rip, this thing feels so good. When I picked it up in the store, I actually thought it was let me get this off real quick. Look at that. Got my vest with my knife on it. Perfect. I put that there just for this moment. If you guys didn't realize. Right. I'm just kidding. We don't need those anymore. I could go back on my tactical vest. I'll do that after. But here she is, guys. Here is she. What a beauty. Right? You got your hammer. Slide feels so good. Trigger. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Just look at that. Oh. One more time. Oh. Boom. Hammer goes forward, right? Can manually cock it. We got our grip safety and our external safety right here. Boom. Grip safety engaged, right? Then you can fire it. We have so it's a Staccato C2 with a Dawson barrel on top. Wow, guys, this gun is absolutely beautiful. Wow, the grip feels good. This is a little big. You know, I didn't think it was going to be that big, but I've never owned a 2011 or anything like it, or a Staccato. So, but I'm quite pleased with the grip and how it feels. I'm just in love with this trigger. It's just insane, guys. This trigger is insane. Wow. Right. We got the Staccato logo. We got a nice American flag right here. God bless America, right? We get to enjoy a lot of rights that other countries do not. So that's awesome, right? You got the Staccato 2011 on this side. Yeah, got the nice star here. Oh, I can't wait to shoot this. I'm so hyped. Nice little hammer. Boom. Oh man, such a nice gun. So beautiful. It was very expensive. I've been, ever since I seen this gun for the first time last year, like that this was an actual gun. And I fell in love with it from the moment I seen it. I'm not going to tell you guys. I fell in love with it. I also have, I opted in for the one that has these cuts in them on the slide. I think it just looks pretty cool, pretty badass, right? But I seen this gun for the first time about 2 years ago. I mean, a year ago, and I fell in love with it. And I looked it up. No place around me sold it. They said that this wasn't a mass compliant gun. So I gave up on my dreams and said I'll probably never own one, blah, blah, blah. Fast forward to now, a month ago, or a few weeks ago, actually. I was looking on Reddit, and I wanted to see if, you know, this has been mass compliant. And they actually put the C2 on the mass compliant list, and I went crazy when I found out. Now, after that, I was trying to find a place that had it. So I dug deep into the rabbit hole, and I, you know, people said that that Staccato won't ship it to a FFL dealership, that, you know, you kind of have to have someone sell it to you or just be lucky. And then people told me to check Arms List and sites like that where people sell used guns. So that's exactly what I did. Hopped on Arms List, and I typed in Staccato, typed in Massachusetts, and boom, there was two gun dealerships that sold Staccatos, and they were about Eastern Massachusetts, and I'm in Western Massachusetts, and one of them was 2 hours away in Beverly, and the other one was an hour and a half, and I don't know how to pronounce it, don't kill me, Tewksbury, I think it was, Tewksbury, Mass. So I sent them a message. I said, hey, I seen on Arms List that you guys have Staccatos. Do you guys have any? And boom, they said, no, we just ran out. They said they bought all of them, that they come and go so quick. But he said, I'm putting in an order. Do you want one? I'm putting in an order today. And I said, what? Today? Yeah, I want one. I definitely want one. He said, send me a $200 deposit. That's what I did. And he ordered my Staccato. He gave me 3 options to pick from. I chose the middle option. They had one for about $3,000 something, one for the middle one, which was $2,650, and then one for $2,300. And I went with the middle one because of the barrel that comes with a special coating on it to help prevent from rusting and things like that, scratches, and just last longer. And then it also had these serrations, and I thought that was pretty cool, so that's why I did that. The other two, they did have a threaded barrel with a comp on it, but I figured I can always update that later. That's not a must right now. So yeah, I told him. He's told me that they'll be in this week. He let me know that they were going to be in today, and I got out of work early, and I drove an hour and a half, spent all my money on this baby, and I'm so happy I did. I'm not gonna lie, it was expensive, and my wife is mad at me for buying another gun, clearly, that I needed, right? But I had to get it. I wasn't gonna let it pass up on me. Nah, it feels good. It feels like it gets a little stuck, but I think it just needs to get used to and shot through. So, yeah, that's how I got the Staccato. Shout out to Fud Free Firearms in Tewksbury, Mass. They were able to hook it up, get me a Staccato. I mean, I paid for it, but shout out to them for, you know, having that connect that was able to get the Staccato to me. Because I was talking to him and he said it's very hard for dealers to get this gun. So that he had a great connect, and I'm happy he did. So shout out to him. And I'm super pumped, dude. I'm super pumped about this gun. I can't wait to shoot it. Can't wait to try it. And yeah, that's the STACCATO C2. That's going to be my new carry gun. I'm upgrading from the Taurus G3. C Toro. I love that gun. And I literally just put so much money into it. Not so much. It wasn't that much. But I upgraded a lot of parts, which I'll do a video on. But yeah, came with 2 magazines. I'm going to have to get some more, obviously. These things are freaking heavy duty, dude. These magazines are crazy. Wow. And that's it. That's everything that comes in the Staccato case. Again, right, got the 2 magazines now. Built for heroes. Made in the USA. Boom. You got your Staccato. That's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Stay tuned so you guys can see the video of me taking it to the range and letting you know my review on it and how it feels, and was it really worth my spleen for it. Yeah, so that's it, guys. And stay righteous, stay shooting, stay blessed. God bless you guys.